Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how to update ChatGPT Desktop application on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. Let me tell you that if you're using Apple-based silicon, then you can install official ChatGPT application on your macOS. So I already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. Now, if you want to update your ChatGPT Desktop application, then simply open ChatGPT. If there is any update, here you will find the notification. However, you can also check for update manually. For that, click on this ChatGPT menu icon, then click on check for updates, and it will check for update. If there is any update, it will automatically download and install it on your system. Here you can see currently my ChatGPT Desktop application is up to date to the newer version available. So that's it. This is how you can update ChatGPT Desktop application on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.